Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. In this video, we're going to look at some special time expressions. Let's start. So, once again, the question, when? When's dinner? It's at 7 o'clock. You don't have to say 7 in the evening. When's dinner? What time is dinner? Time is. What time's dinner? What time's lunch? It's at 2. You don't say it's at 2 o'clock. You don't say our clock when you speak. It's at 2. That's frequently what people say. It's at 2 o'clock is not wrong. It's at 2. A very old way of asking the question is, excuse me, what time is it by your watch? People don't ask this now because obviously they know it is going to be by your watch. So they'll ask you what's the time or what time is it? Do you have the time? What's the time please? Etc. You always say, to be sure, it's 11:30 by my watch. I'm telling you what the watch says. So don't shoot me if it is 12:30. I think the watch is right. I don't know. If it is a very important thing. By my clock. Okay, it's 3:30 by my watch. So we'll meet in 1 hour's time. That means by 4:30 by my watch. So set your watch accordingly. If it is 25 past in your watch, so we'll re-meet at 25 past the next hour. So note my expression. I just said we'll meet at 25 past the next hour. This hour is 3 o'clock. The next hour is 4 o'clock. So past 4, past the next hour. Very important expressions. Master them. Use this as often as possible. These are really cool ways of saying it. Now, if you want to know the length of time, how do you ask? How long's the movie? Oh, it's from 3 o'clock to 4:30. It's from 3 o'clock to 4:30. What time's the movie? It's at 3. How long's the movie? It's from 3 to 4:30. How long's the meeting? It's from midday to 1:30. How long's the class? It's from 11 to midday. Another answer to this is, how long's the class? It's for 1 hour. From 11 o'clock to midday. From 11 to midday. Both are fine. So you've given 2 answers. It's for 1 hour from 11 to midday. How long's the match? It's for 90 minutes from 12 to 1:30. This is also another way of answering this question. So that's all about time. We may have lots of other things with time, but this is what people normally use. They ask and they say these things with respect to time. So I want you to watch this video for as many times as possible. Go till the end, come back, play it again, come back, play it again. Listen to it at least 5 or 6 times till you get the information completely. Till you're a master at asking and telling time. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.